Meaning of home counties.
Home counties.
Home counties.
Home counties.
Home counties. The term home counties refers to the counties surrounding London, England. These counties are typically considered to be part of the commuter belt for London, and are known for their prosperous and affluent communities. The exact definition of the home counties can vary, but generally includes Berkshire, Buckinghamshire, Essex, Hertfordshire, Kent, Surrey, and Sussex. These counties have a long history of being associated with the English upper class, and are often associated with picturesque countryside, large estates, and country houses. The home counties have also been the setting for many famous novels, plays, and films.